this video, let's talk about the off-roading with wheel spacers. Let's go! As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp forks, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. In fact, Ford wheel spacers make no difference as wheels with a negative offset. The special design of this bonus FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency uncontinuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.